will tell you about myself and my village. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadine Anjani. I am usually called Nadine. I am the second child of three brothers. I have a hobby of reading novels. The novel genre that I often read is Islamic romance, horror, school, children, and psychopath. My favorite food is meatballs and my favorite drink is iced tea. I'm a graduate of Osi Island State Elementary School, Seram Barat State 2 Middle School, and PGRI Pelita Jaya High School. Now, I'm a first semester student majoring in English at the Ambon State Islamic Institute. Currently, I live in Salakol. I actually had a dream to study psychology at Makassar State University, but I had to give up that dream because I didn't have permission from my parents because the distance was so far that it made my parents worried if I went to school there without any supervision from my family. So I decided to continue my education majoring in English. Yesterday I took part in the selection at Patimura Ambon University with the SNPP selection route and also at the Ambon State Islamic Religions Institute with the Span Petekin selection route. And thankfully I passed both universities, but I decided to choose the Ambon State Islamic Religious Institute because here I graduated in the language department, English. While at Patimura Ambon University, I graduated in another major which I made as my second choice. The reason I took this major is that English is an international language which is currently very much needed in any field of work. I have aspirations to become a lecturer with a degree. Doctorate, I have a dream of being able to continue my master's studies in my dream major, which I cannot currently achieve, namely psychology. I also have a dream of being able to continue my studies abroad at the University of Toronto, Canada, which is my dream university. My village is Osi Island. Osi Island is a very beautiful island that has biodiversity and is rich in marine life. The place where I was born and raised, having a very friendly and harmonious community. Osi Island is one of the tourist attractions on Seram Island, which is often visited by local and international tourists. Osi Island is in the middle of the ocean and is surrounded by beautifully arranged hills. Has views that are shooting to the eyes and heart. Osi Island also provides beautiful and aesthetic photo spots. Has many restaurants and accommodation for tourists to stop over. We have a very dense and beautiful mangrove forest. We also have a very long wooden bridge to connect one island to another. Osi Island is one of the sunset paradise on Seram Island. Not only the sunset but also has a very beautiful sunrise view. And also my village has been nominated for the most beautiful tourist spot at the API Awards 2022 because of its beauty. Most of the people in my village work as fishermen and farmers. In my village, there is a tradition that will be carried out every days after Eid al-Fitr. Its name is Antar Dulang. This tradition has been carried out for a long time in my village and also in several neighboring villages where this tradition is carried out by arranging food ranging from fruit, snacks, eggs, drink, even money in a pledge that has been shaped in such a way that some resemble a boat, mosques, traditional houses, even the Kaaba then taken around the village accompanied by many people ranging from children to adults, accompanied by prayers with the beating of the tifa. Then after that it is put into the mosque and will be prayed for by the mosque staff and parents after finishing the Isha prayer, and after that it will be eaten together. However, behind this beautiful, our island has an environmental problem where our environment has a lot of rubbish and many of our people are still not aware for environmental clean lines. So there is a build-up of rubbish in rubbish dumps in the village because people just throw rubbish without burning it. In fact, most people still throw rubbish into the sea, and we also have another problem which I think is very worrying because in my village and sometimes there are also some fishermen who catch fishing using bombs and other dangerous tools, so that causing damage to coral reefs in the sea area of Ossie Island. That's a story about myself and my hometown. Bye.